Hey, what's going on, everybody? John again with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. So, nature. Remember, nature is information. Nature is knowledge. The sun, get that vitamin D. That's knowledge going inside you. All that energy, that solar energy going inside you. Plant your feet. Plant your feet in the soil. Little garden, the trees, plants. Just ground yourself in nature. Doesn't matter if you're sitting on a chair, on the ground, putting your feet in the soil. That's one of the most top ones to do. Put your feet in the soil. That's information. Remember, we're all meant to be in nature, not staying in the house all day. That's why we gotta get out in the sun, get that vitamin D. Get your feet dirty. Because nature is information. You really gotta be present with nature. You really gotta connect with nature in order to get this information. Meditate. Just be present, that's all. Go to the river, plant your feet in the sand or the beach, it doesn't matter. Just be out in nature. Sit out in the sun. Go hug a tree. Start gardening. I'm gonna start planting my own stuff. Plant-based. Planting some veggie tomatoes. Just getting that real fruit and real veggie. Not the GMO one. The real fruit and veggies. But nature, that's where all the action is at. Where you get that true information within, from your higher self. And most importantly, get that sun, get that vitamin D. So that's my message to you today.